doing everyday things your whole life. But what if I told you you've been doing most of them wrong? Today, we're counting down 7 common mistakes almost everyone makes, and how to fix them. 7. Charging your phone overnight. It seems convenient, but it quietly destroys battery health. Your phone isn't designed to sit at 100% for hours. The ideal range is between 20 and 80%. Short charges during the day are much better than keeping it plugged in while you sleep. 6. Microwaving your food the wrong way. Most people put their plate right in the center, but that creates cold spots. Place your food near the edge so it rotates into the microwave's hottest areas. Same microwave, instantly better results. 5. Wearing your earbuds incorrectly. People push them straight into the ear. For better sound and comfort, rotate them forward and downward. This lines up the speaker with your ear canal and the audio becomes noticeably clearer. 4. Washing your face with hot water. Hot water doesn't open your pores. It irritates your skin. Use lukewarm water instead and finish with a cool rinse. Your skin will thank you. 3. Cutting bread from the top. The soft crust makes the loaf collapse. Flip the bread upside down. The bottom is firmer, so your slices come out clean and even. 2. Using too much laundry detergent. More soap doesn't mean cleaner clothes. In fact, it traps dirt and leaves residue. Most washing machines work best with half the amount people usually use. 1. Storing tomatoes in the fridge. Cold temperatures break down their natural aromas and the flavor disappears. Keep tomatoes on the counter unless they're about to spoil. So tell me, how many of these have you been doing wrong your whole life? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more 7 things that will make your everyday life a little smarter.